Welcome to the Peer Learning Network at Hindalco. In this video, we will showcase you the different features and user journeys you can do on the platform. So let's jump right in. You can log into the platform with your Hindalco credentials. Simply type in your email ID and password and begin your peer learning journey. The first step after logging in is to create your skill passport. In the skill passport, what we observe in the first screen is that we would request you to verify your credentials and add a profile picture. The designation what you have, the location where you are, your gender and your birth date will be pre-fed. So let me go ahead and continue and create my first screen, which will involve me uploading a profile picture. After uploading a profile picture, the second step is that we would like you to tell you about your skills. Your skills are your identity at the workplace, and we would like to celebrate them. So choose the skills that best represent you from the list of categories. Here you can see that I can add automation engineering. I can say that I'm an expert at it. I can say I'm a proficient at copper refining. I can say that I am good at financial service operations. I can say that I am good at hydraulics. I can also look at other categories such as within environment, health and safety. I am saying that I am good with understanding hot work and fire. I am good at electrical safety. In sustainability, I can showcase that I am good at product stewardship. In management, I can say that I am good at forecasting. And in soft skills, let's assume that I am good at persistence and I am good at, say, multitasking, right? The moment we end up putting these skills, the next step is what we would like you to know is what are your learning interests. Let's say I would like to know more about manufacturing, where we are talking about I would like to know a little bit about design engineering, equipment selection, energy management, financial service operations. I would like to know about industrial robots, MIS, organizing, plant operations. This learning interest will help me to create a very personalized recommended engine so that I can operate the platform much better. I go ahead and I add on different skills, say maybe in management, I want to learn more about conflict management, Lean Six Sigma, forecasting, I would want to get better at, product management, production management, vision planning, and then finally in soft skills, I would like to know about customer service skills, I would look to know about quick learning, I would like to be more results oriented. The moment we end up clicking this, we end up hitting the next button. After this, my skill card is ready. This is my feed. This is my personalized discovery feed, the place where we build you a unique learning experience. Our recommendations take into consideration your goals, development plans, learning interests, and user behavior to build a personalized feed that suits your growth journey the best. First, I would like to introduce you to the Buzz Box. The Buzz Box is dedicated towards answering questions on the go. If you're feeling stuck at a work problem and need to have a quick answer, our Buzz Box is here to help. So head over to the Buzz Box and ask a question. Mention the skill you're looking out for with the help using a hashtag. Our AI will find the best subject matter expert internally and get answer to you within minutes. Let's take an example that I need help in hashtag hydraulics. So the moment I type hashtag, the skill recommend will start to coming. And the moment I click on I need help in hydraulics with respect to our plants in the northern area, and the moment I end up hitting post, everybody within the organization will get an understanding that Omkar is stuck at hydraulics and you can go ahead and help me over here in hydraulics. So the next step is to collaborate. If you see a profile that interests you, reach out and collaborate. You can add the specifics about your learning needs and send a request right away. Once a subject matter expert is accepting your request, you can interact with them over our chat. If you like the learning experience, you can give a peer an endorsement so they know that you've enjoyed learning from them. Rate them on their skill competency, relevance to your needs, and communication skills. You can also write a small recommendation for your peer and make them very happy. So let's look at Himani Tandon over here, and I click on collaborate. I get to know all the skills what she is good at. Let's say she is good at Lean Six Sigma. I go ahead and I click on Lean Six Sigma, and I would send her a request. I would like to know the start point and the practical application of Lean Six Sigma. The moment I send her a request, I can, after that, she accepts my request and she can go ahead and do a knowledge transfer with respect to Lean Six Sigma. I can learn n number of skills from all my other peers based on my recommendation engine. I can learn design engineering from Aritra. I can learn design in energy management from Deepika. I can learn learning and development, employee relations from Mohammed. I can learn compressor and OMN from Ketki, so on and so forth. Over here, I can see what all questions have been asked within the organization when it comes to questions related to coal management or learner engagement or PLC automation system. The next thing what I come to know is who are the experts in demand. I come to know that learning and development, Dev Kumar is an expert, Nisha Kumari is an expert in MIS, Aritra is an expert in design engineering, Sohan Roy is great at plant operations. Over here, what we can also start looking at is what is the recognition field. So for example, I have a great learning experience with Himani. I can gift her a badge, and I can gift her a badge that, she's an amazing team player. And the moment I click on gift, it will be reflected into her badge. Now, everything on BHyve is gamified, which means every time I ask a question on the bus box, I interact, I collaborate with somebody, I learn something from someone, or I share my knowledge with somebody, I end up getting certain points. These points are reflected onto my profile. So over here, I have currently 170 points, and I get more points as I answer more people's query. I can earn more points by helping people out in their learning journeys. I can see the standing of the organization over here, where I see Arjun B, Asmita Paul, Dev Kumar, Aritra, Nisha Kumari, Himani, Mayuk. They have all gathered points because they have interacted with people. Over here, the skill card gives me the understanding of skills what I believe I am good at. Now the next step, what I would like to show you is the carousel. Over here, I understand that there is an explorathon happening. Follow the instructions to win exciting prizes. I can also see what is the profile of the day, which is Nisha Kumari, and I can learn aluminium smelting, material sciences, plant maintenance, quality engineering, so on and so forth. I can also keep on adding skills which are suggested to me. So for example, I've been suggested time management, so I can go ahead and add time management to it. I have been added communication, so I could go ahead and add communication to it, so on and so forth. So this is the first version of the Employee Peer Learning Network, and we would like you to invite you, in fact, to come on board, enjoy the experience, learn from your peers, and make sure to have your questions asked and answer other people's questions. Thank you so much for listening.